Hi guys, hi guys. Welcome back to Sammy's Kitchen. It's been a while we talked due to this lockdown and all situation. So hope you are safe and you're doing well in life right now. So I thought this is the best time to make this video. I was planning to do this video is about muscle fatigue and muscle recovery, and I will give you some tips if you get a muscle injury, how to trace it and what solution you can have on it. So first thing is muscle fatigue. So when you do any activity like walking, jogging, or playing football, athletics, gym, you will have the development of lactic acid throughout your body, and then you lose the muscle capacity to do further activity. That is muscle fatigue. So best things to do when you're doing workout to reduce muscle fatigue or increase the limit to muscle fatigue is taking glucon D or having a banana, having pre-workout such as caffeine. If you're doing pro bodybuilding or playing pro sports at a national level or international level, you can definitely go for Gatorade or BCAA or glutamine. That will help you. And second thing which I will talk about is muscle injury. So if you're into competitive sports, playing at state, national or bigger level like I do, then definitely muscle injury is a part of your life. You will have muscle injuries in back like spondylosis or gluteus maximus, piriformis, the calf injuries which are very common. So first thing to trace injuries, if you're feeling any kind of injury in any muscle, give rest for 1 to 2 weeks with ice and hot water pack when you sleep. Even after that you are feeling some kind of pain or some kind of non-flexibility in that muscle, definitely show your physiotherapist or chiropractor. They will help you. So muscles injury are rated in three types, like grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Grade 1 is when you have some stiffness, twitch, little bit loss of flexibility, a muscle spasm. It takes around 1 to 2 weeks. So take rest for 2 weeks before going to any doctor. That is my personal suggestion when I was doing athletics at state or bigger levels. Second type of injury is grade 2 injury, when you completely lose the flexibility of that muscle and you are having pain in that activity, not in general like sleeping or anything. That is grade 2 injury. It will take 6 weeks to 12 weeks. So give complete rest. You can do walking except that don't do anything and take rest. The third is the dangerous kind of grade, that is third grade, where you have anterior cruciate ligament injury or a gluteus maximus or a hamstring injury kind of thing. The ligament is broken or the ankle is broken. In that case, definitely rest for 4 to 6 months. You can do swimming, you can do walking. That's what I do whenever I face injury. I have a tendency to have groin injuries and gluteus maximus injury. So I do walking for about 90 minutes or swim for about an hour. This kind of activities, anaerobic activities you can do. So that's my personal suggestion. So hope you like this video and try this in your daily activities, especially in the lockdown phase we all are facing. Then recover the muscles, bulk up your weight. That will definitely help you when you get out of this space to cut down and be at a more profound level. So personal suggestion, when you have any injury or you are feeling any kind of pain, increase your carbs, increase your protein. Do not take tension about how much calories you are consuming. Just eat, because that will definitely help. And second tip is get multivitamins. That what I personally do, which will fasten your recovery process basically. So hope you like this video. Let me know. You can use it in your daily activities in near future. That's it from Sammy's Kitchen. See you next time.